Master web development with SkillBakery. Hey everyone! Ready to level up your web dev skills? Introducing SkillBakery.com premium courses starting at just $6 or 500 rupees. Sign up today and learn in-demand skill sets. Unlock your potential today at SkillBakery.com.
In this one, we'll be learning how we can create a preview or internal build. So here in our EAS.json file, you can notice that we have these three builds configured. That's development, preview, and production. And if we do not specify any profile flag, then by default, it takes the production into account. And over here, we've already checked what exactly the development build does. Here, if you compare these two, development and preview, you will notice that in preview, we are just giving the distribution as internal. The other value for distribution could be external. Now, in development, we have this development client set to true, but in preview, we don't have that. So that's the only difference that we get over here in these two builds. Now, in order to generate the preview build, all you need to do is write this command, EAS build. Then the profile is going to be preview and platform is going to be Android. If you press enter over here, this is going to initiate a build on the Expo server, and the same can be checked over here, the build details. So if you click on this link by pressing Alt and then click on this, here you'll be getting this build in progress right now. And as you can see, it says internal distribution build, and this is going to be used for test purposes. So if you want to check how your application is, so this is going to be used for test purposes, and you can use this to install on your test devices and see how things are working, and accordingly make changes in your app if required, and then go to the production build. So we'll wait for a while to get this completed, and after that we'll see what all we are getting over here. So here we can see that the upload application archive is done, and if I go on top, here we get this install option coming up. If I click on this one, I'll again get the same QR code and the link which we got in the development version as well. And here it says install on a test device. And you can see over here it says you can install this internal distribution build on any device for which this build was provisioned. So you have this internal build ready to be deployed on your mobile device, and the process to install it is pretty easy. You just have to scan this QR code, and after that follow the instruction. You might get application blocked kind of message on your mobile device, and you just need to bypass that because obviously you know that you're installing a test version on your mobile device, so you know it's safe to install it.